Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify router settings for smart home VLAN isolation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your router's web interface. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. In the address bar, type your router's IP address. Common IP addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press Enter to navigate to the router's login page. Enter your router's username and password. If you haven't changed these, refer to the default credentials found on the router label. Once logged in, locate the Network or Advanced Settings tab. Look for an option labeled VLAN or Virtual LAN. Select this option to view your current VLAN configuration. Verify if the VLAN settings for your smart home devices are isolated from the main network. Check that the smart home devices are assigned to a separate VLAN. Review the IP address range assigned to both LANs. Ensure that the smart home VLAN has a different subnet from the main network. Next, check the firewall settings to ensure proper isolation. Look for options that allow or restrict traffic between LANs. Disable inter-VLAN routing if it's enabled. This will ensure devices in the smart home VLAN cannot communicate with devices on the main network. Save any changes made to the VLAN and firewall settings. After saving, it's wise to reboot your router for the settings to take effect. Once your router restarts, double-check your VLAN settings. Test connectivity between the smart home devices and your primary network. Ensure the smart home devices are functioning correctly without accessing the main network. If any issues arise, revisit the router's settings and adjust as needed. Consider documenting your configuration for future reference. Your smart home VLAN isolation should now be properly set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.